Isis Bikes, located in the thriving and expanding central Queensland town of Childers, presents an outstanding retail opportunity, nestled between the industrial and prosperous city of Bundaberg and the rapidly expanding city of Hervey Bay, and is just 3.5 hours north of Brisbane. Isis Bikes operates in 300 square metres of recently professionally renovated commercial property adjacent to the highway. Established in 2006, Isis Bikes has a reputation for great customer service and quality workshop repairs. This business is dealership ready. Our facilities include an air-conditioned showroom and customer lounge, fully stocked with a great range of racewear and accessories, a vast range of genuine spare parts and aftermarket goodies, the best in oils and lubricants. Everything to keep the DIY enthusiast happy, and those extra bits and pieces when people just want to spoil themselves. We have the brands and stock that keep punters coming through the doors. A well thought out space with targeted inventory from experienced retailers. We've done the hard yards so you can hit the ground running. And just check out our range of tyres. On the service side of the coin, Isis Bikes is an authorised service agent for Queensland Police and Australia Post Motorcycles. Our fully equipped state-of-the-art workshop is air-conditioned, and we service all major Japanese, European, American and British brand motorcycles, including quad bikes and side-by-side farm vehicles. Isis Bikes in Childers represents a unique opportunity, an established and well-regarded business in a thriving and expanding region. Break free from the city. Become your own boss. Build your future with a head start.